Imagine you are a fish in a vast, calm lake. To you, that lake is the entire world. You've mapped every corner, studied the currents, and concluded that everything is balanced. But one day, you realize that you and every other fish in the water are drifting. You aren't swimming. You are being carried. And as you look closer, you see that the entire lake itself is tilted. Everything you know is sliding toward a single, invisible point on the horizon. This isn't just a metaphor. This is the reality of our universe. And it is a phenomenon astronomers call the dark flow. For decades, our understanding of the cosmos was built on the principle of isotropy, the idea that on a large enough scale, the universe looks the same in every direction and expands at a uniform rate. We believed there was no up, no down, and certainly no drain. But as we move through 2026, new high-resolution data from the Planck-Two mission has confirmed a terrifying glitch in that map. Thousands of galaxy clusters, spanning hundreds of millions of light years, are sprinting toward a specific patch of sky between the constellations of Centaurus and Hydra. They aren't just drifting, they are being pulled at a staggering 2 million miles per hour. The problem is, there is nothing there. When we look at the destination of this massive cosmic river, we find nothing in the observable universe large enough to exert that kind of gravitational command. No supercluster, no great attractor, and no black hole could move this much matter at this speed. This leads to a conclusion that challenges the very boundaries of our reality. The source of the pull is not inside our universe. It is coming from the outside. We are taught that the observable universe, a bubble 93 billion light years across, is all there is. But the dark flow suggests we are just a small patch in a much larger, much more chaotic landscape. Beyond our cosmic horizon, there may be structures so massive they dwarf everything we can see. Super universes or gargantuan concentrations of matter that existed before the Big Bang. We are effectively leaking. Our entire reality is being sucked toward a neighbor we can't see, pulled by a force that shouldn't exist. This discovery changes everything. It suggests that our Big Bang was not a singular, isolated event, but perhaps just one bubble in a boiling pot of infinite others. We are currently caught in a gravitational tug-of-war with something that sits in the beyond. We are watching the matter of our universe cascade over the edge of the map like water over a waterfall. As our technology in 2026 allows us to peer deeper into the cosmic microwave background, the signal of the dark flow only gets stronger. We are no longer just observers of a static void. We are passengers on a runaway train, hurtling toward an invisible drain at the edge of existence. We are beginning to realize that the universe isn't a stable home. It's a vessel that has sprung a leak, and we are all being carried out into the dark.